Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the basics in Davinci Resolve. We're going to talk about how to get some clips, load them into the timeline, and then just render them out. Nothing complicated, just easy peasy stuff. Let's get started. All right, if this is your first time opening Davinci Resolve, you're going to be greeted with a little project screen here. Go ahead and go down to the bottom right corner, hit New Project. Project name is going to pop up. Go ahead and type in a new project name. For this one, we're just going to call it Sample, but you can call yours whatever you want. Hit Create, and that's going to load Davinci up. There's tons of buttons, lots of features, lots of things you can do here, but we're only going to worry about the few basic ones. So right up here in the top left corner, Import Media. Go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to go ahead and go to the folder which you saved all your clips at. Once you're in that folder, go ahead and highlight all the clips, including the audio. Hit open. This is going to ask you to change the project frame rate. Go ahead and just hit change on that. So go ahead and select the media that you want to go ahead and throw in your timeline. So we're going to start with this clip here. Once we throw that down, you can see there at the very top, there's a big long bar that represents the total length of the clip. We're going to trim it by using this tool here at the very edge and just go ahead and pull it back. You can grab this little playhead here and you can scrub through the clip if you'd like. You can do the same thing at the very beginning of the clip. Just wait till your mouse turns into this little trimmer. Go ahead and click and then pull back, and you can trim that down to whatever size you'd like. Once you're happy with the length of the first clip, go ahead and select your second clip. Same thing, just go ahead and drag it right on down to the timeline. And then go ahead and trim that one up, get it to the length you want. You can trim the end of it and the beginning of it. All right, and then once you get to the end and you want to throw some audio in, it's the exact same thing. Just go ahead and drag it, drop it right down, grab the end of it, trim it back so it matches the rest of them, and then you should be good to go on that. All right, after you got all the clips on the timeline, they're all length to the length you want, go ahead and click on that Deliver tab, bottom of the screen here. Once the delivery page loads, go ahead and click on YouTube. That'll get most of the settings right where you need them to be. Then all you got to do is change just a couple things here. If you want to change the resolution, go ahead and hit this drop down. Change it to any resolution you'd like. For this, though, we're going to keep it to 1080. Go ahead and give your file a name. For this one, we're just going to call it Sample. Next to location, go ahead and hit Browse. Go ahead and browse to the location which you'd like to save this file. Once you're done with all of this, go ahead and hit Add to Render Queue. Now that we have it over here in the render, go ahead and hit Render All. Now that the render is complete, go ahead and right-click, Open File Location. This will take you to the clip that was just created. All right, now we can watch and see what we created. And there you have it. We got a video clip created. Hope to see you guys again around. I am going to be getting some more videos up here shortly. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons. Just hit them all the buttons down there. Hit every single one of them. And hope to see you again.